kimchi, and tuna rice. After being highly requested, finally doing a mukbang.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it kind of soaked up a lot of the stuff. That just makes it taste better.
Ooh.
What?
This is so weird to me because I watch people do this on YouTube all the time.
Which is your favorite YouTuber for the mukbangs?
Honey Eats. I love Honey. And I also like Kimi because she eats food that I want to eat.
I like the legendary mukbang with Jenin and Jenny and Sophia.
I don't think I watched that.
They don't like Korean food.
I saw the thumbnail for it.
Yeah. Oh, we should make a thumbnail.
I should have a thumbnail. Can you even choose thumbnails?
Like this.
Oh my.
I'll do this.
This is weird. You know, it's weird because you watch
people actually know it's a real mukbang.
YouTubers do this all the time. That is so weird to me. Oh my gosh, look at this giant fish cake tube. Yum. Close here.
It's not even spicy. You're welcome.
I can eat spicy food. Hi.
Hi. It's less spicy because you wanted me to put less.
It's good. You can eat a lot of this before it starts to hurt. You know?
Mmm. You're so hungry.
I haven't eaten anything all day. You want some?
That's a big mukbang.
Oh, you can't have this because it has seafood.
Well, this one she can't have either. That's so sad.
You
What
can have
is
this
it?
one.
Cheese?
You're not allergic to fish, right?
I can eat salmon.
Can you eat anchovies?
Can you eat tuna?
No.
Anchovies?
No.
I think it's safe if she doesn't. I'm mixing the rice. Look, I'm a YouTuber.
You have fish cake. Wow.
Sorry, it's loud. This is really hard. The ramen is soggy.
Yeah.
That's the only sad part.
Mhm. Mm. Spice level. Good. What are we going to talk about today?
I don't know.
This is going to be the most boring mukbang.
I'm gonna do a live chat and see if anybody tells us what to say.
Do it. Do on yours. No one cares about me.
Today we're gonna call Christy.
Spicy.
She's downstairs.
Hi, Christy. Me and Liz are filming a mukbang and we need stuff to talk about.
How long is this mukbang?
I don't know.
Do you want to go?
I don't know. Not that deep.
Not that deep. Well, if you want to be funny, you can talk about Ariana Grande's hand tattoo.
Okay.
Or, if you want to be real deep, you can talk about, like, friendship
Okay.
and maybe friends people.
Okay.
Or you can just share about your life, y'all.
Mhm.
Just do a life talk.
I don't like talking about my life.
Maybe you should talk about her
My
Okay.
speech. Let's talk about a Korean speaker.
We're just gonna be.
you can talk about Korean class.
Oh, okay.
Did you eat the kimchi?
Mhm.
Cool. Is it cooked?
The crunch. Crunch is
We had to fry it for a long time because it was
good.
frozen.
So long. Okay, so we're gonna pop out.
Korean class?
Mm-hmm.
Today class got canceled. I'm kind of sad because I love Korean class. But that's okay because the weather is horrible.
We're both taking Korean beginner class, and we're
my
not
dominant
Korea
hand.
biz.
I don't think I'm a Korea boo, but then I guess all Korea boos will say that.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It'll come out when we go for 2 weeks, and then it'll go back in. Let me do an interview. This is my channel, so. Adrian, in your career, do you have anything exciting coming up?
What career? My non-existent
student career.
Yeah, me and Liz are both doing the Toronto Korean speech contest at the end of this month. What is your speech about?
It's about what I want to do on my trip to Korea in the future that I didn't get to do last time I went to Korea. And yeah, stay tuned. Oh, today class was canceled because of the weather. There was like a lot of snow and slush and ice.
Freezing rain.
Yeah. But then when the campus finally closed,
It
the
stopped
storm,
raining?
yeah, the storm was gone.
No wonder. I was like walking outside and it was fine when the school was closed.
Can I try some tuna rice? Can I wrap it in?
You want some milk, Jess? You can drink some.
This didn't work out. I stabbed my seaweed.
I don't have to. It's kind of old. Oh my gosh! Liz, our mini kebabs!
Yeah.
I put them in the fridge. Let's get it. Thank you.
This tuna rice is really yummy.
We also bought mini kimbap. Yummy. Chicken.
Pudding!
Jelly.
Dance class. So, we're both taking dance classes, and right now we're taking hip hop beginner with this choreographer named Aaron.
Choreographer. I think you're stressing me out.
I think I am too.
Choreographer.
Oh, choreographer named Aaron.
We love Aaron.
We're so boring. Like, all we're doing is eating.
Because we don't have any fans yet, so they
We
can't
don't
tell us
know
what to
talk about.
talk about.
We have no tea.
Q&A?
still.
Yeah.
Yeah, next time we do this,
Okay, let's-
if there's a next
Let's do
time.
a Q&A right now.
11 B.
Mmm.
That's a fun thing.
Is it face tune?
Can you get some sauce?
The kimbap's really good. Okay. YouTube tag questions are a fun and cool way to interact with your subscribers.
All 26 of them.
These tag questions will allow your friends or viewers on YouTube to get to know you better by asking interesting questions about your experiences and preferences. Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee.
I sometimes like coffee, but this is not about me. This is Liz's channel. We're gonna ask Liz questions today. What is your favorite subject? What courses are you taking? Which one is your favorite right now?
I'm taking science courses, and the one I like most right now is about conservation biology. What about you?
It's not about me.
Okay.
I'm taking linguistics courses. I think phonology is my favorite. But I also think I liked last semester's linguistics courses more. Okay. Are you wearing pants right now? Good job. I'm also wearing
It's
pants.
freezing outside.
Proof. Don't come down. Ow. Okay. When did you last go on vacation? And I guess like talk about your trip.
I don't remember. I went on vacation in 2017 during the summer, and I went to
Hawaii!
no, I went to Asia. I went to Singapore, Thailand, Hong Kong, Beijing, Seoul. If you want to watch my Singapore vlog, please go down to my channel.
No,
and
it's
search it
the,
up.
the
Singapore vlog.
information button. Is it here or is it here?
I don't know how to do that.
There's an information button somewhere where you can link
No.
your other
You
video.
can search it up yourself because I have what, 4 videos?
Mmm.
Yeah, it's good.
Yummy.
And
Mmm.
I have a Thailand vlog coming up next week. Wow. No,
It's really good.
thank you.
The editing is really good. I don't have the kind of patience to do that kind of stuff. Okay. What is the worst injury you've ever had?
I think it's either when I dislocated both of my elbows.
At the same time?
Well, pretty close to each other. I
Oh
don't
my
think
gosh.
I don't think it was the same time. When I was like in kindergarten, and that hurt a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Probably.
I've never broken a bone or anything.
Me neither. What's your favorite song right now?
Oh, that's so hard. Right now, it would be Billie Eilish's new song, Bury Friend. Oh, I really like Astro's All Night by Astro. That's a really good one.
Never
Music
heard it
video is
before.
really good. I showed you the music video.
Oh, the really pretty one? I wasn't paying attention. Summer or winter?
Summer.
Why?
Because winter is cold, and when you're in Canada, everything is like we're all slushy and gross, and you can't get anywhere because no one plowed the roads yet, and there's salt, and salt ruins your shoes, and then you gotta wear so many clothes, and then when you walk really fast, you gotta sweat, and you're like, oh, now I'm too hot, but then you take off your jacket and you're like, now I'm too cold. But in the summer, you're just like, oh, I know it's gonna be hot, so I already have the mentality to deal with the hotness, so you just go outside, like, I know I'm going to sweat, and you only have to wear one layer of clothing, and it's easy. It's easy. But in winter, you have to plan so much. Winter, you gotta plan, like, layers. If you're like me and you get really cold, you gotta wear lots of stuff.
I'm
Shirts,
so tall.
shorts, and you're done.
I need a booster. Like a high chair.
If I go
Because
back,
I'm so
if I go
small.
back, I look. There you go.
Oh, this is so weird.
I'm trying to slouch for you.
You're gonna have to.
Hey guys. Welcome back to
Hey
my
guys.
channel.
I'm Liz's height. Okay, what is your favorite item of clothing that you own?
A fuzzy jacket.
Check her Uniqlo haul, also linked in
Oh,
the
yeah.
description below.
Fun.
Check the description
Plug,
for
plug,
all of her
plug.
4 videos.
This shirt, that's like just a black basic shirt with a V-neck from H&M. I like it because I do.
What is your phone lock screen?
I would show you, but I'm using my phone to film. It's a picture I took in Beijing. I think I'll insert it.
Are you allergic to anything?
No,
What is your favorite type of sandwich?
I think a BLT. Or Kaya Toast. Kaya Toast plug. Watch that video when it comes out.
What are 3 things that you always have with you?
Lip balm. My phone. My keys.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
Mango. What's your favorite bubble tea?
Classic milk.
Classic milk tea. There's tapioca or rainbow jelly inside.
No, not in a milk tea.
Oh.
Tapioca in a milk tea,
She
but
likes
if I
rainbow
put,
jelly though.
I like tapioca with rainbow jelly and a juice. Or in like mango black tea or something. At Chat Time I get peach black tea. 'Cause I like black tea.
Green tea is good.
I don't like green
Peach
tea. I like black
Mm,
tea and I love
green
peach.
tea.
Not green tea. Black
And
tea.
green tea.
Black. How long is your morning routine? She just said, check the link down below to watch her daily makeup routine video. I'm smart. Okay, what's your hobby?
Dancing. Editing videos. Watching anime. Watching Korean shows. Eating. Sleeping. Singing.
Chocolate or candy?
Chocolate. Definitely. I feel like you would say candy.
That's a hard question for
If you
me.
have both, which one do you reach for? You reach for both, but
Yeah,
You
okay, but it
choose
depends.
one.
It depends on the day and how I'm feeling and what kind of things I want to eat. It really depends.
in your normal, when you're choosing an outfit, you know, walk me through it. How do you choose an outfit?
Black, or black? Black shirt or black shirt? Black jeans or black joggers? Or black leggings? Black hoodie or black jacket? I don't know.
Mine's all like monochrome.
It's like I have color, but they're never my top choices.
Well, what's your favorite color, Adrian?
Pink. I don't dress like my favorite color is pink, but it is. I feel like I don't dress like my favorite color is pink.
Yeah,
This
I
is
don't
pink.
either. Mine is purple.
I've never seen you have anything purple before in my life.
And then the people in my way are walking so slow, and they're not walking on the side of the sidewalk. They're just walking in the middle of the sidewalk. I'm like, hello, don't you know basic etiquette? You want to walk on this side or this side? Then some people are walking on the wrong side of the road, and you're like,
What I don't like about walking on the sidewalk is like because it only fits like 2.5 people. I'm walking at the edge of the sidewalk this way, and I see 2 people coming the other way. Like, well, isn't the courtesy that the person who is closer, like you go behind your friend, you know, so you can walk in a line, then go back after. But no, they don't move, and then they just like bump into me. I'm like, did you not see me from all the way down the sidewalk? Because I saw you. You're on my side of the sidewalk.
yeah.
That's my only complaint. It's just like I've been hit so many times today. Like I ran to 3 people today. Oh my. Can you freestyle?
Freestyle.
Make up a song on the spot about food.
Yo, yo.
About the food we're eating today, okay? I'll give you some chords.
Okay. Yo! We got tteokbokki. We're eating kimbap. We're eating kimbap.
will finish chewing first. I'm gonna speed up this part of this chewing.
Thank you for watching this mukbang. I hope you enjoyed it, even though you probably didn't because it was very boring. Sorry.
We want to do more. Comment down below what fun things we should do while we're eating because we can't think of anything and today was boring.
I'm gonna finish all this food.
I'll eat it for leftovers tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
Oh, this way?